Hi, welcome to Explorer Studio. Today I'm going to show you a website where you can do certificate courses for free. Yes, you can do certificate courses for free, and the best part is you can share your certificate after completing your course on LinkedIn profile through this website. So without any delay, let me show you how. And what is it? Website. This website is Sailor Academy. So like you can see in the address bar, sailor.org is the website. If you type Sailor Academy, you'll the second link is the one which we are looking for. This is a website which offers free online courses. This has been around from 2008. This is a non-profit organization. I've checked out the courses and they're really good. The first thing you have to do is you have to create an account, just like a Facebook or Instagram account. You can create an account in this website, or you can log in through or create a new account using your Facebook or Google credentials. So let's check out the courses available. This website gives you a lot of courses starting from history, biology, business administration, courses that are related to business administration. As a commerce graduate, I am more interested in financial accounting and principles of finance, business law, and one of the best certificate course that I am interested in this website is human resource management course. If anyone is looking to start their career in HR field, you can definitely check out this course. It covers a lot of topics, and it is for 88 hours, and you can see it is free certificate. All the courses in this is free. So you can see it also shows you, the syllabus, gives you the syllabus. So unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, 4, 5, you can check out everything before you enroll. Make sure you check out everything, and make sure you don't just quit in between. This is a 88 hours course. Make time and do it whenever it is possible. Let's see other courses. Yeah, there are chemistry, communication. Okay, there are courses related to computer science. There's a course for people who are interested in technical writing, or if you're interested in writing, there are courses available here. Mathematics, philosophy, professional development. Another course which I'm interested in is spreadsheets 2 3, presenting data. Data, this is related to what do you say, how do you present a data. And you can also learn writing grants. Yeah, like I was telling, I am interested in resume writing course. And you can also get to learn interview skills. And there's a lot of courses you have to check out, and these are not the most advanced level courses, but this covers a decent amount of topics, and this gives you more than expected level of knowledge by a recruiter. From a interview point of view, this these courses, I've checked out all the most of the courses syllabus, and it gives you a lot of knowledge. It's worth doing it. And the best part is the certificate is free. You don't have to pay a single rupee. You just have to devote your time and finish these courses.